Vietnam is one of Southeast Asia's most exciting and accessible destinations. From the karst mountains of Ha Giang to the tropical beaches of Phu Quoc, it offers an incredible variety of landscapes, food, culture, and adventure. But before you start packing your bags, you need to sort out one essential thing: your Vietnam tourist visa. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through 5 clear steps to get your Vietnam visa, whether you're applying online, through an embassy, or at the airport. We'll cover visa types, application processes, necessary documents, and tips to avoid common mistakes. Step 1. Check if you need a visa before applying. Find out whether your nationality is exempt from a visa. Vietnam currently grants visa exemption to citizens of several countries for short-term stays. If you're from one of these countries, you can enter Vietnam for a certain number of days without a visa. Visa-exempt countries, as of 2025. Country stay without visa: Japan, 45 days; South Korea, 45 days; Germany, 45 days; France, 45 days; UK, 45 days; Spain, 45 days; Italy, 45 days; Russia, 45 days; Finland, 45 days; Norway, 45 days; Belarus, 45 days; Thailand, 30 days; Singapore, 30 days; Malaysia, 30 days; Indonesia, 30 days; Philippines, 21 days; Cambodia and Laos, 30 days. Note: visa-free stays cannot be extended once you're in Vietnam. If you plan to stay longer, you must apply for a tourist visa in advance. Step 2. Choose the right type of Vietnam tourist visa. There are 3 main ways to get a Vietnam tourist visa, and each method suits different types of travelers. You must decide which method fits your situation best. 1. E-visa, electronic visa, are available to citizens of over 80 countries. Apply online via the official government website. Are valid for up to 90 days. It can be single entry or multiple entry, and no need to visit a consulate or embassy. White heavy checkmark, best option for independent travelers or digital nomads. 2. Visa via embassy or consulate. Apply in person or by mail. Are required for citizens not eligible for e-visa. Allows for longer or more flexible visa options. A processing time may vary by country. White heavy checkmark, best for travelers needing multi-month stays or multi-entry visas. 3. Visa on arrival, VOR, are only for air travel. It requires a pre-approved visa letter from a licensed travel agency in Vietnam. A pay stamping fee on arrival at Vietnamese airports. White heavy checkmark, convenient for those booking last minute, but less secure than e-visa. Step 3. Prepare your application documents. Whether you apply for a visa online, through an embassy, or at the airport, you'll need to prepare the following basic required documents. 1. Valid passport. It must be valid for at least 6 months from your date of entry. It must have at least 1 blank page. 2. Passport-sized photos. 1 or 2 photos, 4 by 6 centimeters, with white background. And no glasses, hats, or filters. 3. Visa application form. For e-visa, complete the online form. For embassy, fill out form NA1. For VOA, fill out entry-exit form, available at the airport or online. 4. Travel itinerary, for e-visa. A proof of flight booking. Hotel reservations in Vietnam. 5. Visa fee. Visa, $25 USD, single entry. $50 US, multiple entry. EVOR, $25.50 USD stamping fee plus service fee. Embassy, varies by country. Right pointing magnifying glass, always double check your specific embassy's or consulate's requirements. Step 4. Submit your application. Let's break down how to apply for each visa method. Option 1. Apply for Vietnam e-visa, most recommended. This is the fastest and easiest method for most nationalities. White heavy checkmark steps. 1. Go to the official e-visa website. https://avisa.zuatnapcan.gov.vn. 2. Fill in the online form with your personal info. 3. Upload required documents. A photo of passport data page. A passport-style portrait photo, face forward, no glasses. 4. Pay the visa fee by card, $25.50 USD. 5. Wait 3 to 5 working days for processing. 6. Download your visa once it's approved. Print a copy for arrival. Warning sign # important. Use only the official e-visa website to avoid scams. Option 2. Apply through an embassy or consulate. If your country isn't on the e-visa list or you want a longer stay, this is your option. White heavy checkmark steps. 1. Contact the nearest Vietnamese embassy or consulate. Schedule an appointment, if required. 2. Prepare all your documents. 3. Submit them in person or via mail. 4. Pay the visa fee, varies. 5. Wait 3 to 7 working days. 6. Pick up your passport with the visa or receive it by mail. Envelope # many embassies offer express service for an extra fee. Option 3. Visa on arrival, for airport entry only. Not available for land or sea entry. Only valid for travelers flying into Vietnam. White heavy checkmark steps. 1. Apply online through a reputable Vietnamese travel agency. Receive your visa approval letter via email, PDF. 2. Print the letter and prepare. 2 passport photos. A completed entry or exit form. Cash in USD for stamping fee, $25 to $50 USD. 3. Upon arrival at the airport, go to the VOR desk. Submit your documents. Pay stamping fee. Get visa sticker in your passport. Warning sign # delays may occur during peak hours. E-visa is usually faster. Step 5. Receive your visa and prepare for entry. Once your visa is approved and in hand, you're almost ready to explore Vietnam. But don't forget a few final checks. White heavy checkmark things to double-check before travel. Check your visa details. Entry and exit dates. A number of allowed entries. A correct spelling of name, passport number. Print your visa, if e-visa, or bring the approval letter, for VOR. Have your accommodation and itinerary ready in case of questioning at immigration. Have travel insurance. It's not always required but strongly recommended. Airplane # at the border. What to expect. Airports with VOR e-visa acceptance. Air Noi Bai International Airport, Hanoi. Tan Son Nhat International Airport, Ho Chi Minh City. Da Nang International Airport. Cam Ranh International Airport, Nha Trang. Entry procedure. 1. Line up at immigration. 2. Show your passport and visa. 3. Answer any questions, e.g. duration of stay, where you'll stay. 4. Passport stamped, welcome to Vietnam. Final tips for a smooth Vietnam visa experience. Reply early. Give yourself at least 1 to 2 weeks before your departure. Always use official or trusted websites for visa processing. Carry both printed and digital versions of your visa. Avoid overstaying. Fines and penalties can apply. Keep your visa and passport safe during your trip. Summary table. Visa application options. Method. Processing time. Entry types. Notes. E-visa. 3 to 5 days. Air, land, sea. Best for most tourists. Embassy. 3 to 7 days. All types. Flexible. Longer visa options. Visa on arrival. 2 to 3 days. Letter. Air. Ready to discover Vietnam. With your visa in hand, you're ready to experience Vietnam's vibrant cities, ancient temples, majestic mountains, and legendary street food. Getting a visa doesn't have to be stressful. Just follow the 5 steps above and plan ahead. If you still have questions, reach out to the nearest Vietnamese embassy or visit the official website at https://visa.zuatnapcan.gov.vn.